we need to find the serial number of this word mankind when all the letters of this word are arranged as per dictionary order. Right. If all the letters are arranged as per dictionary order, where will this word mankind will come? Right. So obviously, when you look at this mankind, if you write all this number, all these letters in the alphabetical order, we'll get A, D, I, K, M, N, N. This is in the alphabetical order. What does that mean? The words we have how many words? We have how many letters? We have seven letters. Right. What does that mean? The words starting with A, D, I, K, all of them, all the words starting with A, D, I, K, they will come before M. So all of these words will definitely before mankind. What does that mean? How many words we will create? When we have fixed A, we have remaining six slots, right? Because we have total seven slots, of which there are six slots remaining. And of these six slots, two letters will repeat. Which are those two letters? N will repeat because N we are not using here. So remaining six letters can be arranged six factorial by two factorial ways because there is two because there are two n's. If there was no repetition, we would have said six factorial, but there is a repetition of n. Right, there's a duplicate n. That's why six factorial by two factorial. For a also six factorial by two factorial. D also again six factorial by two factorial. Similarly, I and k. So we will get 4 into 6 factorial by 2 factorial number of ways. That is 4 in that is 1440. Right, 1440 words are such that they're starting with A, D, I, K. Then what is the next word? When all the words with K are done, obviously the next word will start with M. And obviously, and if we fix M, and the first word of M will start with again A. Right, for example, M, A. And then again the first word of M will start with M, A, D. Right, M, A, D. But M, A, D will definitely be before M, A, N. We are looking for M, A, N. So what are M, A, D, M, A, I, M, A, K? So M, A is already done. M, A, D, M, A, I, M, A, K. These all will be before man, before mankind. So if you fix these three letters, we'll have how many letters? We have four letters. Of four letters again, two will be same because two n's we have to use. So what does that mean? How many cases we'll get? 4 factorial because 4 letters by 2 factorial because there are 2 n's. And for each of this case, for MAD also 4 factorial by 2 factorial, MAI also, MAK also. So that's why 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 3, which is equal to 36. Very good. Fantastic. Now MAK, all words with MAK is done. Then what will be left? MAK is done. Then we'll have MAN. So the next word will start with MAN. Right. And the first word of MAN. MAN, then it should be D. MAND. Because we have used M, we are using M, we are using A, we are using N. Then what will be the first word of starting with MAN? It will be MAND. Right. So, but MAND is also will also come before MANK. So MAND and MANI. So these two letters will also come before MANK. So and in this case, what will happen? We'll have N we have already used here. So we'll have three letters. MAND if we are using MAND, A is done, M is done, N is done, D is done, we'll have IKN. So that's why 3 factorial. Similarly, MA and D for will have 3 factorial, MA and I also will have 3 factorial. So 2 into 3 factorial, that is 12 words starting with MA and D or I. Right, MA and D and I is also done. Then what will be the next word? The next word, M is done, A is done, N is done, D is done, I is done. So obviously the next word should start with MANK. Right. Similarly, once MANK is reached, and what MANK. Now M is done, N is done, A is done, K is done. The first word that starts with MANK will be MANKD. That is also coming before M mankind. Right. So then that means here we'll have two letters remaining. So that is 2 factorial and 2 here. And after this MANKD is done. Then what is the next word? The next word will be MANKD is done I. MANKID is the next word. So which will be only one slot left. So that's why there is only one word. And the final word after this MANKID, the word after this is mankind. So one more we have to count. So total how many we have? 1440 plus 36 plus 12 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is again 2. So we have 1492 number of words. So the process of doing this kind of problem is first we have to write all the letters in the alphabetical order and then see which all words will come before the given word, before the mankind. So which the word starting with ADIK, then word starting with MA, and the word starting with MADIK, then MAD and MA in D or MA in DI likewise. Right, guys?